If you're wondering how to add custom fields to your ShopWired products, you're in the right place. In this quick ShopWired explanation, I'll show you how to customize your product pages with fields that fit your specific needs and improve your store's functionality. Stick around till the end because I'll share some alternatives that could better serve your goals, plus an exclusive offer just for you. To get started with adding custom fields in ShopWired, you'll first need to log into your admin panel. Once you're inside, navigate to the Products section. This is where all your product management happens, and it's where you'll be adding the custom fields to your listings. Next thing you want to do is open the product you want to customize. Click on the product to edit it. On the product editing page, you should see an option called Custom Fields. This is where you can add any extra fields you need. Think of these as customizable attributes like additional product specifications, special options for your customers, or extra information that doesn't fall into standard categories. Now, to add a custom field, click on the button that says Add Custom Field. You'll need to provide a name for the field and decide on the type of input it should accept, whether it's a text box, a drop-down, or a checkbox. Choose the one that suits your need. For example, if you're selling custom shirts, you could use a drop-down for size options or a text box for personalized engraving requests. The fourth thing is you'll want to make sure the custom field is added properly to your product page layout. This can be done by editing the template files or using the built-in drag-and-drop editor if you prefer a visual approach. By adding the custom field to the layout, you're ensuring that it appears exactly where you want it for customers to see and interact with. Finally, always test the custom fields before publishing your changes. Check that they're appearing on your product pages as expected, and make sure that your customers can easily use them during checkout or browsing. ShopWired does offer a pretty straightforward way of adding custom fields, but there's a catch. While it's user-friendly for those who want basic customization, it may not be as flexible or robust for advanced needs, like adding conditional logic or integrating with third-party apps. So if you're looking for something with more power and customization options, there are alternatives worth considering. In the next few seconds, I'll share a couple of software solutions that not only offer custom fields, but also allow you to build much more dynamic product pages with a smoother user experience. One of those alternatives is Shopify, which offers custom fields through apps that integrate seamlessly with their platform. With Shopify, you can get very granular with your product customization, and it's especially useful if you're running a larger scale operation. However, be warned, these apps usually come with extra costs and require some time to integrate and set up correctly. Another option to consider is BigCommerce, which also allows custom fields and provides a much more robust out-of-the-box solution for complex products. It's more suited for businesses that need more advanced features, but can be slightly more complicated to set up than ShopWired. That being said, if your goal is a super simple setup with great functionality and easy integration, plus an exclusive free trial that gets you everything you need without breaking the bank, stick around because I've got a great offer for you. As a special bonus, if you sign up through the link below, you'll get the best possible free trial for ShopWired, along with some extra perks that are exclusive to our viewers. But I also wanted to give you a heads up that the alternatives mentioned are definitely worth checking out if your needs evolve. So, whether you're staying with ShopWired or considering another platform, be sure to explore all your options and choose the one that best matches your business needs. Don't forget to click that link for the best trial and perks.